Good afternoon to my dear and beloved students and my friends and the viewers of my channel. Now I am explain some other important terms of the electricity which is used in the electrical chapters. That is, number one is electricity. This is already explained earlier, but again I want to say some words or few words. What is a source? The source means what we used to produce or to get the required our output, that is called the source. Or in other words, we can say the raw material of the source. In this connection, I want to say some few words for the ACC Cement Company, Associated Cement Company. What is the source required, main source to produce the cement? That is called the raw material. That is in the big quantity of one kind of white stones. It is particularly some name is there, but at present I will say like that because the particular name 100% I don't know. But the one white granules, not granule means not granules, a big, just like a stone. It is in a white color. That is, sometimes we will use to produce the raw material, that is called the source. So electricity is obtained from an electric producing device is called source. For example, generator, dynamo or battery is also the source for the producing the generator. The flow of current is always from positive to negative in direct current, and DC phase to negative in alternating current in this system. Usually in DC also, the current flows inside the battery or that particular source, positive to negative. And in alternating current also, it flows just like a waveform, and in DC it flows direct in the direct line type. So that's why I want to say the few words. The next one is medium. A medium is essential to flow of current from one end to another end. The medium commonly used is insulated wire and cables for higher capacity systems. That means the flow of current by the wire or cables. That is called the medium. Next one is controller. To start, to stop the flow of current in a circuit, used device is called switch. It is called the controller. That means on-off controlling. So next one is consumer. The electrical appliances such as heater, electric iron, which absorbs or uses the electricity is called electrical load or consumer. It means consumer means you are using the particular system or particular material or in any other goods or some substances or articles. That means how much it will use. That is called the consume. The consumer means who is using the particular that the electricity. It is called the consumer. So in other words we can say consume means it is ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡುವುದು, ಖರ್ಚಾಗುವುದು. That is consuming. So consumer, we are telling, we may say consumer came. So on which basis he came or which reason he came or somebody came to collect someone or some material or some substance from the particular shop or the particular dealers. Next one is circuit. In the circuit, it is already explained earlier, even though I want to say few words. If a circuit with electricity, medium controller and consumer which completes its path from one end to another end, this is called the closed circuit. That means from starting point to the end point. That means here starting point is through the main switch. Phase is connected to the lamp holder, and that there are two terminals in the holder. The first terminal connect to the phase and second terminal connected to the, or in other words we can say also the first terminal connected to neutral and the second terminal, it means the connecting point. Second terminal connected through the switch, because to operate to control on off. That is, then when we switch on, then the circuit is closed. This is the procedure or the steps of the circuits. Then next one, open circuit. The circuit is connected with our parts. If the switch is off, then it is called open circuit, because it is not switched on. Then the power comes up to the switch. It is having also 2 points. It is incoming and outgoing. That is, up to incoming it will stop, and when we switch on to the output side, that is the other terminal, then it will, lamp will give the light, or lamp will burn, and not burning here. Burning means ಉರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಉರಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. It is in any electrical circuit, the phase and neutral comes directly in contact, and then it is called the short circuit. That means it is in electrical instrument, any instrument, for example, electric iron, if the connection noticed or we can by mistake the wire is loosened and touches to the other point. Here also two terminals, phase and neutral. So when the phase wire disconnect or any some other reason, it will get loose and touches to the other wire, it is neutral, then we will call it is a short circuit. And in the meantime, immediately the connector's fuse also will burn and the circuit will be immediately disconnected. It is called the short circuit. So this is the general things, but even though general, it is for the, it is, I have to say it is a one of the procedure of the electricity circuits. So I have just explained now, and in the next page I will say some words. Thanking you. Bye bye.